basically what is AI used for? If I want to create a machine learning model, say if I want to create lab like ChatGPT, I want to create my own machine learning model, I want to integrate it with my application. I'm using Vertex AI. Vertex AI basically helps us to train machine learning models and also helps us to test it. So Vertex AI has many libraries which I discuss with you and see how I'm going to discuss about the components. So basically, how do I it is model training. Model training is that I want to train my data whichever I'm going to give for this Vertex AI. So basically, there are two types in which I can train, which is auto-ML and custom training. In auto-ML, all the training processes will be done by AI itself. That is previously available data from earlier machine learning models. And in custom training, the entire process is done by the developer who is going to develop the code. So in model training, I'm going to this is mainly used in custom training where I'm going to decide the machine types in the various infrastructures that I require for training my data, and in model environment and prediction. Once after I have trained my data, I want to check if it is really working or not, whether my model has been good enough to predict the results. And for this AI prediction is done. Data labeling. Data labeling is that when I'm having a set of images or a set of videos, I want to get proper output, and for this purpose, the data has been labeled. For this, I get the help of a human expert, and I provide the possible labels which are going to be used, and then I'm going to give some representative data with which I get the output of labeled data. Vertex AI feature code. This is mainly used in getting all the infrastructure that I will be needing for training my data. So how do I basically interact with my Vertex AI? The first thing is Google Cloud Console. The Vertex AI dashboard might be able to interact with the Cloud Console, I can be able to interact with Vertex AI within Cloud Parent libraries. Rather than using the direct HTTP protocol request, I can use this Cloud Parent libraries. By using certain languages, I can easily call this API, Vertex AI for machine learning. And REST API provides various RESTful services and cloud endpoints which will help me to interact with my machine learning models that I have created. And Vertex AI incorporates notebooks and instances. I'll be talking about this a bit later in custom training. For now, it is a Jupyter notebook-based development environment which is used in custom training of data models. Deep learning DM images. So what are these? Deep learning DM images are which has previously found data frameworks which I'll be using in training my data. That is, if I want to create a ChatGPT, I don't want to actually collect data from elsewhere, and I can actually take the data that is previously available in the deep learning DM images, and I can use that to train my model, and deep learning containers. These are Docker containers that are actually used in developing. That is, I want the environment to code and develop my ChatGPT or whatever model, AI model that I want. So this environment is provided by the deep learning containers. So what is AI workflow? So what is workflow? Previously our friend Srimati and Subhashi was talking about workflow. So what is the basic workflow in any given AI model is that first we are going to gather the data. Any given machine learning model will be having a lot of data as a component. So we are going to gather the data and then we are going to prepare. So machine learning models cannot actually take data in its raw form. They have to prepare it and label it. So we are going to prepare it and then we are going to train. That is, machines cannot automatically learn once they feed the data. We have to give some examples of how and what it is. So we are going to train and then we are going to evaluate. Evaluation in the sense we have to test whether the data has been properly trained, whether a machine learning model is able to answer our queries properly, and then we are going to deploy. What does deploy mean is that we are going to let it for public use. Then the public will be able to use it, and then we will be able to provide patients on a regular basis. So Vertex AI provides two solutions in one. That is, Srimati already explained that we have auto-ML and custom training. Machine learning models can be learned as per our use. We can create our own machine learning models and integrate it into our auto-ML is a type of Vertex AI in which I'm able to create my machine learning models. It is a notebook solution. So here we are going to be introduced in January of 2018 where if I want to create a machine learning model, I have to collect data, I have to process it, I have to compare it with various earlier existing models, then I have to create a machine learning model. But after the introduction of auto-ML, I don't have to go on this. is being done by